At dawn the world awakens, and the east inflames and goes red. The sun comes out and its beams fall down to warm up the land. The town streets become alive as fields and forests nearby, hills, gardens, and the town yards all bathe in sunlight of the sky. The townsfolk is wide awake. In every place they cook and bake. The birds in flocks into the sky. Take wing for the Almighty's sake. And children in the morning chill are off to school after their meal. With full school bags at their backs, they go to learn with hope and zeal.